ZANU-PF Commissariat Department responds to pasina wako rant on social media. Sarapina mashoko yaitwa ZANU-PF yoresponda after pasina wako abuda publicly achataka top structures top leadership and the ruling party ZANU-PF achionekwa kunzi angowataka ukaona na machacha and the likes. Edi panguwa inwe anyaso exposa bato re ZANU-PF. Edi panguwa inwe ZANU-PF yomusvipa yomuti hatimuzivi haasi kana registered and haana kana any ID yeZANU-PF. Ndisati apinda mashoko onekwa kunzi mukomana wetask force inoonekwa kunzi vanowataka everyone anoposa mutungamiri wenyika aiwa panguva ine upinzwa pakaoma norobo subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda mashoko kutagwa necommissariat department kudanya kwa mchinzi. As the commissariat, we need to put the record straight. The behavior, conduct, character, and action exhibited in this video is unacceptable, said the statement, emphasizing that the party fosters an environment where grievances should be addressed internally and peacefully, rather than resorting to public outbursts. On social media platforms, the leadership's priority is to uphold the party's image and integrity, maintaining that any concerns should be raised through the proper channels. Importantly, the statement goes on to clarify that Pasina Wako had previously been warned and censured by the party's secretary and the Director General. This censure followed raised concerns about his operations, suggesting that they were not only damaging the party's image, but were contributing to public disorder. It is also revealed that Pasina Wako admitted in a past meeting to not being a legitimate member of ZANU-PF, highlighting a significant departure from the party protocol. He neither possesses a ZANU-PF membership card nor is registered with any organ of the party, the statement notes. With authority, this revelation raises questions about Pasina Wako's intentions and legitimacy, further distancing him from the values and norms espoused by ZANU-PF. Ndo mashoko anobuda chitagwa panapa necommissariat. Tudze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Kuna comment section medu, subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.